Hi everyone, I'm Sukanti here. Today I would like to present my individual presentation task for subject Service Marketing with code MKT6113. Okay, the chap, chap, chapter 8 with the title Crafting the Service Environment prepared by me and this slide. This individual presentation task prepared for my lecturer Puan Nurul Naim Muhammad. Ahmad Rasli. Okay. This chapter contains four main learning objectives. First, study the purpose of service environment. Second, understand consumer responses to service environment. Third, uncover the dimension of the service environment and putting it all together to a successful service environment marketing. Okay, what is the purpose of service environment? Okay, first, service environment formed to create distinct image and unique positioning. Okay, more detailing I explain in Malay. Okay, it membantu sesebuah organisasi untuk membuat image yang tersendiri dan kedudukan yang unik daripada kompetitor yang lain. Okay. Sorry. Okay. The second point relate to the style and appearance of the physical surroundings and other experiential element and encountered by the customers at the service delivery side. Okay, service environment okay berkaitan dengan gaya dan penampilan persekitaran fizikal dan elemen pengamalan lain yang dihadapi oleh pelanggan. Okay, service environment, service cap, affect buyer behaviors in three ways. First, message creating medium. Okay, first of all, service cap refer to the environment in which service are delivered and where the firm and the customer interact for a business purpose. Okay, first buyer behavior, message creating medium. Okay, it's symbolic clues to communicate the distinctive nature and quality of the service experience. Okay, simbol yang terdapat di service environment menyampaikan sifat khas dan kualiti pengalaman perkhidmatan. Contoh labels, signboard, symbols, signals. Okay. Advertisement boost. Okay, second, attention creating medium. Okay, make service cap stand out from competition and attract customer from target segment. Okay, menarik customers dan menjadi perkhidmatan dapat menunjukkan daripada pesaing yang lain. Okay, effect creating medium, use colors, warna, texture, sound, suara, sense, aroma, and spatial design. It means reka bentuk, and to enhance the desired service experience, untuk meningkatkan pengalaman perkhidmatan yang diinginkan, yang diinginkan oleh customer, untuk menarik customer. Okay, comparison of outer lobbies. Okay, each services cap clearly communicate and reinforce its outer respect. Positioning and set service expectation as a guest arrive. Okay, setiap ruang tamu atau tempat pendaftaran memiliki sifat yang unik dan mempengaruhi kedudukan sesuatu benda dalam hotel untuk menarik perhatian customer, dan juga sesuatu yang terdapat dalam hotel tu ada function, big function to the hotel. Okay, image positioning and differentiation. Okay, for image positioning, 5 main points I elaborate here. First, service are often as intangible, so customers cannot check access their quality well even after they use such service, because service cannot touch, only can feel the service. Okay. uh, Customer use service environment as a like proxy, uh, and uh, firms make quality environment and desire image. Proxy means power. Oleh itu, firms membuat persekitaran yang berkualiti dengan unik untuk menarik perhatian customer. Okay. Reception areas are the big component. Okay, receptions of hotel lobbies are main function of each hotel. It's clearly communicate with customers. Okay, in retail store environment portray the quality of the merchandise. Okay, some service cabs are functional. Mm, it's convey image of low price service, inexpensive neighborhoods, simple design, inexpensive practical uniform for employees. Okay, and second, to convey prestige image, its elegant decorations and furnitures, impressive collection of the painting. Each services cap clearly communicate and reinforce its author respective positioning and set service expectation as a guest arrival. Okay. Okay. Second slide. Service caps as a part of value proposition, because okay, physical surroundings have shape appropriate feelings and reaction in customer employees. For example, Disneyland in Malaysia, Sunway Lagoon, and Maps are the big service environment for the organization that interact with customers. Okay, services kept from a core product of the value proposition. For example, Hotel Casuarina in Ipoh and MH Hotel is the service kept for their business. Okay, repositions itself to a somewhat more wholesome fun resort, usually striking entertainment centers that interact with the customer and is a value proposition or core product of their business. Okay, elements of physical evidence. Okay, services camp facilities exterior, its exterior design, signage, parking, landscape, surrounding environments. For other tangible, business cards, stationery, billing statement, report, employee dress, uniform, vouchers, web page, visual service cap are the other tangible of the service environment. Okay. Role of the service caps. Okay, there are four roles. First, package. Okay, package is okay. It's convey expectation, influence perception. Okay, the services cap helps to convey the internal image through its outward appearance. Product packages are the one of its primary example, where you easily know about the wrapped product by viewing viewing and reading its matters. It acts as a visual metaphor for building a specific image. For example, McDonald packaging, it's the symbol of McDonald. We can easily recognize it's a product. It's a product of McDonald beverage, food and beverage. Okay, facilitators or service environment facilitates the flow of the service delivery process, provide informations, facilitates the ordering process, facilitates service. It's help people in the surroundings. Okay, third, socializer facilitates interact between the customer and employee, and second, customer and the fellow customer. Okay, it's act as a perfect socializer between both customer and the employees. Okay, uh, fourth, differentiators act as a differentiators by separating design of a company from its competitor. It's apt to reposition a company and attract new segments. Okay, the understanding second, the next learning objective, understanding consumer responses to service environment. Okay, the okay, the Mehberian Russell stimulus response model. Okay, feelings are the key drivers of customer responses to service environment. Okay, uh, Maberian result develops stimuli organism response model that environmental stimuli induce emotional reaction and influence customer behavior responses. Okay, uh, the environmental stimuli cognitive processes. Okay, dimension of effect, pressure and arousal. Okay, response, behavior, approach, avoidance and cognitive processes. Okay, humans behavior, responses to an environment and emotional state were as defined as approach avoidance by Mehrabian Russell theory. Okay, approach behaviors represent all positive behaviors or behavior intention directly or indirectly affected by the environment. The effective environment components such as pleasant music, fresh scent, bright light, and soft fabric evoke pressure and arousal to lead to a patronage, intentions, consumer willingness to buy, spending more time and money at that service caps. Okay, service providers should build environmentals that achieve a balance between two primary objective. uh, First, develop environmental that appeal to customer pressure and arousal states while avoiding atmosphere that create submissiveness, and second, construct environmental that facilitate the operational ease and efficiency of a firm.